Children, now we are going to continue the class comparing numbers, page number 22. Choose the correct answer and write in the given boxes. See here children, 71 is greater than. Box is given here. Now the options are 71, 85, 98, 98, then 75 is given. See here children, 75 is greater. 75 வந்து greater-ஆ இருக்கணும். நம்ம இங்கே எழுதுகிற நம்பரை விட. இங்கே பாருங்கள், இங்கே 71 இருக்குது, 85. இப்போ நம்ம இங்கே 85 போட்டோம்னா இப்போ வந்து 85 தான் greater-ஆ இருக்கும். இப்போ 98, if you write here 98 means 98 only will be the greater number. If you put 75 means 75 will be equal to 75. Then see here 71. 71 if you write here means this will be small number, then 75 will be greater number. See, 75 is greater than 71. 75 தான் பெருசா இருக்கு 71 விட. சரிங்களா? 71 smaller number. Now second one. See in the page number 22. All of you take page number 22. 40 is less. 40 is less than. Box is given here. The options are 25, 49, 39, then 40. 40 is less. நம்ம இங்கே எழுதுகிற நம்பரை விட 40 வந்து சின்ன நம்பராக இருக்கணும். அப்போது see here 25. If you write here 25 means this will be greater number. If you write here 49 means the 40 will be less number. See now, see 40 is less or 49? 40 only less. Then 49 is bigger number. இதை விட இது அப்போ சின்னதாக இருக்கு 40. Next one 56. 56 is equal. 56 is equal to. Box is given. Equal means same number only will come here. 56 is equal to 56 only. Their option is given. 60, 60, then 65 is given. Then 56. I told you same number, no? See here. 56, 56, same number came here. Then 57. What will be the equal number? See here. 60, 65, 56 is here. Then 56 is equal to 56. Then here 56 will come. Understand children? இப்போ 75 is greater. அப்போனா 75 greater-ஆ இருக்கும் நம்ம இங்கே எழுதுகிற நம்பரை விட. அப்போ what will be the option will come? 71. Then 40 is less. 40 வந்து lessனா கம்மியாக இருக்கணும். அப்போ here 49. This number is greater. Then this one is less. Then 56 is equal to 56. Same number only will come. Understand children? Next. Take page number 23. Next page. Put a tick. Put a tick for the correct answer. You should put tick for the correct answer and wrong for the wrong answer. See here children, one is given 3 tens, 3 tens, then 4 ones. 3 tens and 4 ones is greater. G-R-E-A-T-E-R, greater. Greater means பெரிய number. Is greater than 2 tens and 2 tens. and 3 ones. You should say this one is correct or wrong. See here, 3 tens and 4 ones means 34. Okay, 2 tens and 3 ones means 23. See, which one is greater? See the first tens value 3. Here 2. Which one is greater? Only 3 is greater. 3 tens and 4 ones is greater. This one is greater than 23. 34. This one is 23 is greater. This is perusu. Then this one is small number. Then the statement is correct. Then put a tick. Understand, children? Then next one. 6 tens. 6 tens and 5 ones is less than 2 tens 3 ones. See here, 6 tens and 5 ones is less. See, then 65. The 23. See, is less. Kammiya irukka idu? 65 kammiya irukka? No. This one only 23 only less amount, less number. So, the statement is wrong. Put here wrong. Then next one. 5 tens. 5 tens, 3 ones is equal to 53. See here, 5 tens and 3 ones means 53 is equal to 53. The same number only. See, 53, 53. Then the statement is correct. Put tick. Then number 4th one. 55. 55 is equal to 56. See here, same number is given here. 55, here 56. Not same. Okay, here 55, here 56 is given. Then the statement is wrong, not equal. Then 5th one. 65 is greater. 65 is greater. 65 is greater than 64. See here, 65 is greater. Period number then 65 or 64. See here, 5 only bigger number. Okay, is greater. So the statement is correct. Number 6. 74. 74 is less. Less means chinna number. Is less than 47. Say 74 less. Less? No, it's not less. Only 47 is 4 is less. 74, here 47. See in the tens place. 7 or 4. Which one is less? This one only less. Appo they have given 74 is less nu sollirukanga. Appo the statement is wrong. Put here wrong. Understand, children? Now number name. Now we are going to see the number name one song. Same page number only. Page number 23. See here, 1 1 1. The sun is 1. The sun, only one sun is there, no? 1 1 1. 1 is the sun. 2 2 2. Here is my shoe. We used to wear 2 shoes only, no? 1 shoe we won't wear. So 2, 2, 2, here is my shoe. 3, 3, 3, it's a mango tree. 3 mango tree is there. 4, 4, 4, knock the door. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are knocking the door like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times we are knocking. 5, 5, 5. Bees are in a hive. Bees means what? Theni. Theni kulla ethana bee irukku? 5 bees are there. 6, 6, 6. The hen has chicks. Chicks means and the koli kunji ethana irukku? 6 irukku. 7, 7, 7. Do you know lemon? Lemon. There are 7 lemon. 8, 8, 8. Spider legs are 8. The spider is having 8 legs. 9, 9, 9. Go in a line. 9 of them are going in a line. 9 boys or girls are going in the line. 10, 10, 10. We make fun. 10 of them are making the fun. See here. 1, 1, 1. 1 is the sun. The sun is 1. 2, 2, 2. The shoes are 2. 3, 3, 3. There here mango tree is 3. They are knocking the door for 4 times. Then 5, 5, 5. Bees are in a hive. 6, 6, 6. Hen has chicks. 7, 7, 7. Do you know lemons? 8, 8, 8. The spider's legs are 8. 9, 9, 9. Go in a line. 10, 10, 10. We make fun. Then we are going to see the number names. Here there are horses. Horses are going in a line in the order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. The soldier is riding in a horse and going in a line, all the horses. You should see the picture and read the number name from 1 to 20. Now I am going to write the number names. We are going to complete the table, page number 24. See here. Write the number names. Write the number names against the numbers and complete the table. Here the table is given there in the book. And complete the table. All of you take your book and complete it. Already you know. Here the number is given. Numerals. Here we are going to write in word. In words. Here again numerals. And you are going to write in the words. Already in first standard you studied 1 to 100. How to write the words. See here. 1 is given. O-N-E. You are going to write this one in words. O-N-E. Words. This is called number names. Okay. 2. T-W-O. 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 6. S-I-X. 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Then 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. 10. T-E-N. 10. Write in the same line and finish it up to 10 in one column itself. Okay. Next we are going to continue 11, 12. See here children, this is numerals. You are going to write the numerals in the words. That is called number name. O-N-E 1, 2, T-W-O 2, 3, T-H-R-E-E 3, 4, F-O-U-R 4, 5, F-I-V-E 5, 6, S-I-X 6, 7, S-E-V-E-N 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T 8, 9, N-I-N-E 9, 10, T-E-N 10. Finish it children. Write neatly. Now we are going to write from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 11, E, L, E, V, E, N, 11. 12, T, W, E, L, V, E, 12. 13, T, H, I, R, T, E, E, N, 12. 13. 14, F, O, U, R, T, E, E, N, 14. 15, F, I, F, T, E, E, N, 15. 16, S, I, X, T, E, E, N, 16. 17, S, E, V, E, N, T, E, E, N, 17. 18, E, I, G, H, T, E, E, N, 18. 19, N, I, N, E, T, E, E, N, 19. 20, T, W, E, N, T, Y, 20. See here children, 11, E, L, E, V, E, N, 11. 12, T, W, E, L, V, E, 12. 13, T, H, I, R, T, E, E, N, 13. 14, F, O, U, R, T, E, E, N, 14. 15, F, I, F, T, E, E, N, 15. 16, S, I, X, T, E, E, N, 16. 17, S, E, V, E, N, T, E, E, N, 17. 18, E, I, G, H, T, E, E, N, 18. 19, N, I, N, E, T, E, E, N, 19. 20, T, W, E, N, T, Y, 20.